Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us on this Monday at 4 o'clock. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
Good afternoon. I'm Brian Loftus. The number of Nevadans diagnosed with COVID does continue to climb. We begin with a look at those numbers. Here's the latest. Today's report showing our state with more than 1,600 new cases and 8 deaths. We've seen that number sit at over 1,000 for almost 30 days now. Since March, there have been more than 152,000 cases and 2,100 deaths. Now, here in the county, we claim about 1,100 of those new daily cases. 4 new deaths were also reported. Today, the recovery rate there at the bottom of your TV sits at 84.8%. With those rising numbers, hospitals are getting closer to full, and it will take weeks to learn the impact that Thanksgiving weekend and all that travel will have on our hospitals. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy monitoring the numbers. She joins us live from her home studio to tell us what health officials are saying about the uptick in cases.
Yeah, Brian, we are seeing record-breaking numbers here. Remember that spike in July and hospitals were strained? The numbers are worse now, and they continue to climb. Test positivity rate is over 17%. This is the highest since the start of the pandemic. It's considered too high at even 5%. Hospitalizations are at a record high. In a call with the state's COVID-19 response director, Caleb Cage, he points to a 275% increase in hospitalizations over the last 30 days in southern Nevada, and a surge is expected.
According to the federal and state health officials, with current growth rates and case rate and several factors such as colder weather leading to more indoor activities and back-to-back holidays, numbers are likely to surge in the coming weeks.
We will not know how Thanksgiving Day and the long weekend helped spread the virus even more, because there is that possible 14-day incubation period, meaning if someone gets tested today after being exposed to the virus on Thanksgiving and the test comes back negative, they can still test positive up to 14 days after. Now, the stay-at-home pause issued by Governor Steve Sisolak began last Tuesday. It's 3 weeks long. The governor has said he wants to avoid another shutdown, especially in a state like Nevada, because we rely so heavily on tourism. But if the numbers continue to go up, we could see additional restrictions. Reporting live, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.